YouTube, it's your boy him too wavy. Yeah. Just got my dang system redid, man. You know, I got it taken from the top of the trunk, put it to the side of the trunk. Got a little fiberglass custom in box on there. You know, it matches, make it look like it's built in. You know how we do. Gotta make it look like it's built in. Look like it came with the company, came with the car, factory. You know how we do. But it's gotta sound good. So I changed all my speakers out except for the back dash. They're still the same as what I had aftermarket, but I didn't change them out like I did the front speakers. I changed them out to some JL audios. I don't technically know the Pacific, but I know they're 2-ways, and I got some tweeter that's 2-ways in here as well. But other than that, man, I really had to get it done again because there was a lot of stuff missing in it. It's like the sound just wasn't there. So I had to go and let somebody else that I knew what they was doing to do it again for me. And I don't really know how he is with people and talking about their business. As far as I know him, he's a good person because he's done all my cars, really. And he's always given me, I guess, good advice, if you want to say it. It's always been great advice, you know, giving me good options. They ain't make me pay too much and all that good stuff. Man, it's not cheap, but yes, it's right. It feels to me like it's just done right, and he does it to the T, man. He takes no shortcuts, man. He has your car he has about a week, man, to do certain stuff. Like mine took about a week to get done because he had, like I said, to rewire everything, build a custom box for that side panel that, you know, Dodge already does that, but I got mine custom built to the side so that it can fit up in there. Then you got the door speakers, you know, you got to put them in there. You got to cut the little baffle and the fast grip for them things, he calls it, where it won't lose no sound behind the plastic. He does that. Then you also got the tweeters where you have to do some extra, and it's like extra stuff. He tells me all this stuff, man, and I know what he's talking about, but me to explain to y'all, you'd be worth it. I really would be. What else is there? Other than that, man, I'm gonna give y'all a look at this. Let y'all see it. I mean, there's no boom system, ain't no competition, nothing like this. It's to give me a better sound from what I had. You know, the factory always suck. He got the charger sitting right here beside me. He think he's doing something. Look at it. The Artina, you know, he's the Artina. He black that panda on him. Panda. Y'all know how it is. But anyway, man, we're gonna get out this car, man. As soon as I get parked, I'm gonna show y'all what he did. Can't show you everything because half of it's not custom. Only thing that's custom was the box. Other than that, man, I'm gonna get out this car and I'm gonna show y'all what he did. As soon as I get to a stop, I'll let your boy stay ready. You ain't gotta get ready. Him to wave, and I shall return. All right, doses. Till next time. Junking that secure like that, what that thing ready. Ain't my car, but you know how we do. Look at that. Look at that custom work. Look at that custom work, man. That's awesome. But yeah, I can do it though. at them on jacks. Had to make sure I get a before picture, man. Still up in there. What's going on, man?
What's happening?
Had to get me a before picture. Forgot to get there yesterday. After looking at all your work over here.
Oh my god. I took a picture on their dash. The wiring that was there.
Terrible.
They had a simple one. Real wire. Like, it doesn't even feel.
What gauge is that? 10?
That's 4, but that feels like aluminum, not copper. I got the 1 amp out from underneath the passenger seat. Again, I'm not real familiar with these amps. It says it does 1600 watts. I'm going to say it probably does 800 watts RMS. And even 800 watts is a lot of power.
Okay. But it's only running one speaker, right? That's the one that running one?
Oh, no, it was basically sharing. You just didn't have a fader.
Okay.
I don't know how they had it hooked up.
Well, I don't think we need to worry about how they had it hooked up, but how you gonna hook it up, bro? That's all I was worried about.
Like, everything's spliced in. I want to try and fix the wires that are cut and all, because like I want to just when you go to put it back to factory, I want to just be able to unplug stuff and plug it back in.
Gotcha. Okay.
You know, like I don't know if you ever go back to factory, but
do I ever?
like this stuff, it's not like these parts are hard.
You just put it in here and say, here you go. Cause I know when I first got in, when I first hear it, it sounded good. I was like, oh, okay, this sounds good. But then over time, it just kept going lower and lower. Then it sounded like the bass wasn't hitting, and it just went away.
Yeah, sometimes you do get used to things.
I thought that too, but I think that happened a little bit too quick. That was just my problem. I was like, yeah, it was a little bit too quick.
I took out all your floor mats so I don't mess them up.
It's all good.
Chucky, scaring me.
I'll take him, man. I mean, Chucky sits back there all the time, man. People say that all the time too. Some people got scared because they get out the car and they know he's back there and they looked at it, oh shit, they thought it was a baby or something back there. Like, nah, just yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so like I gotta get up in that rear deck anyway for the speakers. That's gonna allow me to drop this box, get out of the way, and see what we're really working with.
Okay. Basically, you're gonna rewire this whole thing, huh?
Oh yeah, none of this wire is getting reused. I already have 2 amp kits on the car and all. I'll put my own speaker wire in. It's gonna be night and day differently.
That's all I need. That's all I need.
It's not like I have no doubt that will be a different level quality just because of what we heard before. We were missing frequencies.
We're missing the whole left side, left side, right?
Yeah. And even the bass, like only getting signal from the right side of the car, that's a problem. Like you're basically just getting right channel bass. You're not like when we hook up a subwoofer off a factory radio, we grab left and right.
Okay.
Because you want to combine those two for your sub, so that this way you get bass when it's only on the right or the left. It doesn't matter, because there's some songs where it's recorded funny. Because the artist is trying to do something different.
Yeah, I did have that problem too with some songs.
You might be messing things up.
I did have that problem with some songs sounded great. I was like, oh, this sounds good, but other songs wouldn't sound good. So if I played the factory radio through it, sound better. But when I put my phone to it, I just lose it.
Yeah. Well, I tune it with my phone.
Okay.
Yeah, most people listen to their phone nowadays. They don't necessarily listen to the radio.
Yeah.
So the radio, you might not be able to turn it up as loud.
That's why I have satellite. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna keep the satellite in here because.
Yeah.
But then
satellite's not even as loud as FM.
Yeah. I heard it. I've seen that too.
So, but nowadays people are like with Apple CarPlay and all. People are just doing the satellite app on their phone. Yep. And you play it through CarPlay.
Yep. Yeah.
So.
I mean, I called up here that time and I asked him, did you do headlights? So you got to see I got the LEDs in there.
Yeah.
Y'all do those?
We do, but I've been.
So you gotta go, bro. Gotta come back and get my shit done by the real people. Here's some things down. Look at that. I've never really even seen up under here before. But yeah, we're getting that right though. We're getting that right.
Tuesday.
We're gonna get that right. Tuesday. All right. I appreciate you, man. I'll be back up whenever you're done. I'll be back when you're done.
Days later.
I thought we were done with wrestling.
$1,300 in this box. Here to let me know what the wires are giving me that day.
I like
back, man. That's all I wanted. I needed that space
How
though.
does the sub sound compared to the old box?
Sound a little stiffer.
It's not going to play that deep, I think, but it should have better sound quality.
Okay. Yeah. It's all right though. Yeah. New Jersey. Y'all know how they do in New Jersey. Look at it, look at it, look at it. She's dirty as hell. And drove that thing 4 hours away. Coming up here, you know they pump your gas for you up here in New Jersey. I'm gonna go with 10, man.
Regular?
Yeah, 10 regular. Home of the Wawa. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Gas is $2.98 in Jersey. Then it's cheaper than where I'm at. All right.
That's all, folks.